Have you ever thought about how your feet might be trying to tell you something important about your health? It might sound surprising, but our feet can serve as a window into our overall well-being, particularly regarding liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying our bodies, and when it's not functioning optimally, it can manifest in various ways, including symptoms that show up in our feet. For instance, conditions like swelling, discoloration, or unusual sensations in your feet can be early warning signs of liver issues. This connection between foot health and liver function is often overlooked, yet we must pay attention to these signals. By understanding how our feet can reflect internal health problems, we can take proactive steps toward better health. Engaging with this topic raises awareness and empowers you to listen to your body. Imagine catching potential health issues before they escalate simply by being mindful of what your feet tell you. Recognizing these early warning signs can significantly impact your health journey. So, if you've noticed any unusual changes in your feet, don't brush them off. Join us as we explore the fascinating link between foot symptoms and liver health and learn how to interpret these signals for a healthier, happier you. Your feet might be the key to unlocking essential insights about your overall health. Prioritizing liver health is not just about preventing disease. It's about enhancing our quality of life and ensuring our bodies operate at their best. Common foot symptoms. Linked to liver problems. Many people may not realize that their feet can provide important clues about potential issues with liver health. Several specific foot symptoms can indicate underlying liver problems, and being aware of these signs is crucial for early detection and intervention. One common symptom is swelling in the feet and ankles, known as edema. This can occur when the liver cannot produce enough proteins, leading to fluid retention in the lower extremities. Discoloration of the skin on the feet, such as a yellowish tint, can also be a warning sign. This yellowing, known as jaundice, occurs when a buildup of bilirubin is in the bloodstream, often due to liver dysfunction. Additionally, some individuals may experience pain or discomfort in their feet, which can be linked to liver-related conditions that affect circulation or nerve function. These symptoms are not just isolated issues, but are interconnected with the liver's overall function. The liver plays a vital role in filtering toxins and maintaining fluid balance. When it struggles to perform these tasks, it can lead to noticeable changes in the feet and other areas. Encouraging viewers to pay attention to these warning signs is essential. Consult a healthcare professional if you notice unusual swelling, discoloration, or foot pain. Early recognition of these symptoms can lead to timely diagnosis and treatment, ultimately supporting better liver health and overall well-being. Remember, your feet may be trying to tell you something important about your body. The connection between feet and liver health. Understanding the physiological connection between foot health and liver function reveals how intricately our body systems are linked. The liver plays a pivotal role in maintaining overall circulation and nerve function, which are crucial for healthy feet. When the liver is compromised, its ability to filter toxins and regulate blood flow can be significantly affected. This can lead to poor circulation in the lower extremities, resulting in symptoms such as swelling, numbness, or tingling in the feet. Moreover, the liver is responsible for detoxifying harmful substances from our bloodstream. When it struggles to perform this function, toxins can accumulate in the body, leading to various health issues. These toxins can manifest in the feet through symptoms like discoloration, pain, or even skin conditions. For instance, a buildup of bilirubin due to liver dysfunction can cause jaundice, which may present as yellowing of the skin on the feet. Recognizing this connection emphasizes the importance of holistic health monitoring. By paying attention to changes in foot health, individuals can gain valuable insights into their liver function and overall well-being. Regular checkups and being mindful of unusual symptoms can help catch potential liver issues early on. Incorporating foot health into your overall health assessment is a proactive approach to wellness. By understanding how liver health impacts circulation and nerve function in the feet, you can take steps to support both your liver and your feet, ultimately leading to a healthier, more balanced life.